So we're going to do word forms now. Remember your decision-making tree. First, you decide whether you need a noun or a verb. Remember, if it's a noun, you have to choose singular or plural. If it's a verb, you have to think about the meaning and go, should this be affirmative or negative? And then in this particular exercise, you have to think about the tense. Do you need present tense, which would be verb or verb plus s, or negative would be don't or doesn't plus verb. Let's take a look. So our word here is access. That can either be a noun or a verb. So you look at this sentence. Stephen chose the internet when he is at a camp in upstate New York. Upstate New York is upstate. It's in the countryside. He has no internet. So how can I say that? Should it be a verb or a noun? Stephen chose the subject. I need a verb there. And then access. Think about the meaning of that verb. Should it be affirmative or negative? It's negative. He doesn't access the internet. Then let's look at the next sentence. He is happy, one clause, that there is no to the internet. That's another clause, so that he can relax. So let's look at that second clause. There is no noun. There is no teacher. There is no student. There is no noun. There is no access. Now, noun, should I go singular or plural? It should be singular because the verb is. Let's keep going. Number 2, decrease. Some people believe, first clause, that family time, second clause, as technology increases. Some people believe that family time is the subject, and I need a verb here. So let's think about the meaning of that. Family time, decrease. Technology, increase. Is that true? Yes, that's what they're saying. Family time decreases. Do you see my mistake? I forgot to write S. That should be S, decreases. Add the S. Mrs. Johnson thinks that this in family time is not good for her family. Mrs. Johnson thinks that this should be a noun. This is not good. So you see the verb is. So we're just going to say this decrease. Oops, hang on a sec. This decrease in family time is not good for her family. Okay, so sorry about that. It should be family time decreases. Add an S to number 2. Most teenagers enjoy social, right? Enjoy is the verb. Social is the object of the verb. You need a noun there. Now, enjoy social, such as Facebook and Instagram. Those are networks that you can count, right? They can easily, with people all over the world. Can plus verb, right? Can do, can talk, can. We need a verb after can easily. And if we have can, we use the simple form of the verb after a modal like can. Let's take a look at number 4. Contact. Our friends, us using technology. Our friends is a subject. Contact is the verb. Do we need S? Nope, because our friends is plural. Because of technology, there's a phrase, our social are always easy to reach. Are is a verb. That's a verb. So our social contact is going to be a noun. And is it one contact or many? You know your contacts. Joe and John and Billy and Tan and Knock. All those are your contacts, the people who you know. Let's take a look at number 5. Concern. concern. The Johnson children have a lot of privacy. And this, there's the subject, this, Mrs. Johnson. I need a verb here, but oh my gosh, I put it as a noun. I can't change it. It should be a verb. This concerns Mrs. Johnson. However, this is not a for her children. They enjoy her privacy. They enjoy their privacy. This is not a, we need a noun here. This is not a concern for her children. They enjoy their privacy. Okay, so in the next part, you had using a dictionary. So in this section, you need to choose the right definition of the word. So drop can be a little small amount of liquid. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Or it could be a fall or a sharp movement down. Or it could be like a distance down. Or it could be like something you dropped by a parachute out of a plane. The answer here is going to be a sharp movement down, right? Boom, right? So because it says, Gilbert reported that 35% of higher income families felt there was a drop in face-to-face time. Something went down, okay? So the answer, that's going to be meaning definition number 2, circle number 2. Let's take a look at the next one. You have to circle the letter of the sentence that has the appropriate meaning of drop. Let's see. Did Gilbert report that 35% of higher income families felt that there was a small amount of liquid in face-to-face time? That doesn't make sense. Or did he report that families felt there was a sharp movement down? Oh yeah. It's that one. Drop means down, right? So you have to pick the right definition for the word in that context. Which word is a synonym for drop? That is a reduction, right? A reduction. So read the following sentences. Use the context to help you understand the word in bold. Right? So let's read the sentence. Our family spends more time surfing the internet than communicating with each other, complains Mr. Johnson. The Johnson family is not alone in this situation. Situation is the way things are at a certain time, the state of what's happening, right? We're in a tough situation right here with the coronavirus. We're all sheltering in place. It is a situation. It's the way things are. Or maybe the meaning is number 2, a job, or 3, a location. No, situation means in this sentence, the Johnson family is not alone in this situation. That means the way things are. You should circle number 1. And we have to circle the letter of the sentence that has the appropriate meaning of situation. The Johnson family is not alone in this job, in this location, or is it C? The Johnson family is not alone in the way things are. The answer to number 5 is C. And finally, number 6. Situation means a place where people meet, the friends that you have, or the way that things are. It is C, the way that things are. Okay, guys, we're going to do vocabulary in context tomorrow in class or Wednesday morning. And your homework is to read Chapter 12, Riding with Amber, right? Somebody's gonna be riding with Amber. And touchdown. That's something from football. When you throw a ball and somebody catches it in the end zone and you get 6 points. Touchdown. Ooh, I want to read that. Number 2, answer the discussion board questions anytime. I know you're busy. But anytime write about Crystal and Jade and chasing Amber. Then the last things you need to do are in your reading book. Finish up vocabulary and context and the Venn diagram, those two circles, find out the similarities and differences. And then next week it's spring break. After that, there will be a quiz. The quiz is all online, and you can click there to study. Okay, guys, hang in there. Stay safe, and I will see you Wednesday morning. Bye.